Hey kids! Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of science? Today we're diving into the world of elements and discovering an amazing one called magnesium. It's going to be a fun and magical adventure. Magnesium is a super cool element with some magical powers. It's like a hidden gem in the world of chemistry. First, let's talk about its atomic number. That's just a fancy way of counting its protons. And for magnesium, the magic number is 12. Isn't that fascinating? On the periodic table, it's written as Mg. This is its symbol, and it's like a special code that scientists use to identify it. Its atomic weight, which tells us how heavy it is 24.3050. Pretty neat, huh? This number helps scientists understand more about the element's properties. Magnesium is all around us. It's found in nature, in rocks, and even in water. It's like a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. It's in the solid phase at room temperature, which means it feels just like a rock. You can touch it and feel its solid form. But if we heat it up to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 650 degrees Celsius, it melts. Imagine seeing a solid rock turn into a liquid. How cool is that? And if we heat it even more to 1,994 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1,090 degrees Celsius, it boils. It turns into a gas and floats away. Science is amazing. Now, let's talk about its density. Density is like how tightly packed the atoms are. For magnesium, it's 1.74 grams per cubic centimeter. This helps us understand how much space it takes up. Imagine a tiny cube of magnesium. Even though it's small, it's packed with atoms. This is what makes it unique and special. Magnesium isn't just found in one form. It has several isotopes, but only 3 of them are stable. These stable isotopes are like different versions of magnesium. The most common ones are Mg24, Mg25, and Mg26. But wait, there's more. Each of these isotopes has its own special properties. Magnesium is super important for our bodies. It's used in medicines to help our muscles and nerves work properly. Without magnesium, our bodies wouldn't function as well. In plants, it's the star of the show in chlorophyll, which helps plants turn sunlight into food. This process is called photosynthesis, and it's essential for life on Earth. And in industries, magnesium is used to make things lighter and stronger, like in airplanes and cars. Isn't that awesome? It helps make our vehicles more efficient and durable. Now, let's talk about some cool history. Magnesium was first discovered by Joseph Black and later, Sir Humphrey Davy. They figured out how to isolate magnesium and learn all its secrets. These brilliant scientists conducted experiments and unlocked the mysteries of magnesium. Their discoveries have helped us understand and use this amazing element in so many ways. But here's the most exciting part. Magnesium can burn really brightly. When we light it up, it shines with a blinding white light. It's like a mini firework. This bright light is so intense that it can be used in flares and fireworks. It's a spectacular sight, but remember, always have an adult around when doing any experiments. Safety first. Safety is super important when working with elements like magnesium. Always make sure you're following the rules and have an adult to help you. So there you have it, kids. Magnesium is a super cool element with loads of uses and interesting facts. From helping our bodies to making our vehicles stronger, it's truly magical. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing world of science. There's so much more to discover, and who knows, you might find the next big thing. Thanks for joining me on this magnesium adventure. Remember, science is all around us, and there's always something new to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science videos. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. See you next time. Bye! Keep being curious and never stop exploring. Bye!